In today's video, I'm going to teach you create an automated timesheet in Google Sheets. Stop guessing your work hours or pulling out a calculator at the end of the week. By the end, you'll have a clean professional sheet that logs your time and calculates your pay automatically. Start with a blank Google Sheet and label 5 columns across the top: date, task, start, end, and total hours. This layout keeps everything organized and makes the formulas straightforward. Before you enter any times, highlight the start and end columns. Go to the Format menu, choose Number, and select Time. This tells Google Sheets you're working with clock times, so it won't treat them like plain text. Now add a sample entry so you can test as you go. Type a date, describe the task, and add your start and end times. Be consistent with how you enter time. Either use AM and PM or use 24-hour time, so your results stay accurate. For total hours, you simply subtract the start time from the end time. Click in the first total hours cell on your row and type a formula that equals end minus start. If your start is in column C and end is in column D, that would look like D2 minus C2. Press enter and you'll see a time difference. Now here's the secret to making it display as hours worked. Select the total hours column, go to Format, Number, and choose Duration. Duration tells Sheets to show a span of time like 18 hours instead of a time of day, like 8 o'clock a.m. If your result ever looks odd, double check that start and end are set to time, and total hours is set to duration. As you add more rows, copy the total hours formula down so every entry calculates automatically. Your timesheet now totals each shift with zero manual math. To calculate your total pay, sum your hours, and then multiply by 24, and then by your hourly rate. You multiply by 24 because Google Sheets treats one full day as one, so multiplying converts days into hours. For example, you can add a formula like sum of your total hours column, then multiply that result by 24 and multiply again by your rate. Format that final cell as currency so your earnings display clearly. That's it. An automated timesheet that adds your hours and calculates your pay with precision. Track your time like a pro and never miss a penny. If this helped, hit that follow button for more Google Sheets templates and tutorials.